Welcome to beautiful Ocean City, New Jersey. It's been years, since 2019 that I've been here with Natasha. We came here on an overcast, gloomy day. We did a short video about that. Let's take a look at the boardwalk. Plenty of mini golf, octopus, and the beach. It's beautiful. Woo! On the world famous Ocean City boardwalk. Walked this many times. I'm trying to hide my mother back here. You can't see her. Check out the ocean. Beautiful boardwalk. Smell the salty sea. You feel it on your skin. There's rides, mini golf, attractions, bikes. Now you can apparently even drive golf carts in town. People work out on the boardwalk in the morning. They just have a good time. Funnel cake, hot dogs, french fries, all kind of good stuff. Damn, that's the world's tiniest toy store. Yeah, see, everybody's saying it. World's tiniest toy store. What kind of fun things over there. Manco and Manco, previously called Mac and Manco's. We'll get pizza in a bit. Hopefully you can see what it looks like. It's pretty solid. It's like the iconic pizza you get on the boardwalk when you visit here. It's a throwback to my childhood, coming to all these surf stores, all the things. I was not a surfer, had the long hair. You get some cool shoes, surfboards, just all the Quicksilver, Hurley stuff. It's the Ocean City Music Pier. They have the Nights in Venice here, the dog stuff here. There's concerts, performances. It's like a rite of passage. Everyone gets these when they're younger. These old-time family photos. So you get all your gear, your cousins and your parents right there. My mother pays $80 for a picture. No offense. But it's great. And then you go next door and you get Johnson's popcorn. And you pull out all the caps in your teeth. But it's good. I love it. It's great. And at night you can smell it. It smells amazing. Caramel popcorn for the whole family. This same surf mall has been open for like 25 years. As a kid, you would get all the new trends there, Power Rangers, Pokemon, including all posters on my wall. So Bon Jovi posters, all kind of fun things. Oh, snap, seagull attack. Oh my gosh, don't look at me like that, seagull. All the shirts you'd ever want in all these t-shirt stores, from Taylor Swift to Trump not guilty. And I love hot dads and hot moms. Oh, look at this, Hulk 2 already. Hulk 2 is already here. Man, they don't miss anything. That's classy. I do not think this golf course has changed since I was a child. Mini golf followed by the Wonderland Pier. At night, this whole thing here will be crowded. Amusements back there, the top of the Ferris wheel up there. That's upsetting if you want to play. We're going on rides now. When I was younger, this whole area is full of rides. Now there's arcade games a bit more. But yeah, there's some rides here. And out there's all the big rides and the fun slides, all those fun things. This place hasn't really changed much. All the fun rides right here behind me. I don't like spinning. And for the younger folk right here, you have all your little young kids rides. But fantastic place, so much fun at night. The boardwalk's kind of dead, but hopefully you've liked what you've seen here. Real quick, as I'm editing this video almost 2 months after I've been there, just today they announced that this pier with all the rides is closing after 94 years. That's just wild. Yeah, crazy times. Some Polish water ice right there. That's really good. Nice flavors.
Thank you.
Can I help you?
No, you can.
Okay. Can I help you?
Yeah, we're waiting.
Mmm.
That way, I guess.
It's hot, but no trip to the shore is complete without buying shark goggles or cool things, always fun things in this store behind me.
Yeah, I'm joking. That thing doesn't talk.
Go, everybody, let's go. Shake it.
You can see behind me there's pinball. I can't escape pinball. I did not know it was here, but at the arcade here, amazing. So many cool games and pinball, of course. So, kind of cool.
Hit me right in the head. No mercy.
God, my mom got French fries and they're attacking her for French fries, and they're like pretty bad French fries too. This is what the shore is known for, the salt water taffy they make, and they make it right back here. Back there making saltwater taffy. Alrighty, well I am going on to the beach now with my family. It was not the plan. I don't have a bathing suit on, officially. Luckily the car had things in it, but I'll go hang my necklace on the beach, so maybe you'll see some beach shots with the GoPro, action shots. I have no plan of going in the water, which means I'm probably gonna go in the water. So let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach.
Oh, I can't stand either.
Ooh, I lived here for, well, like 29 years. Never been to this beach before. They wanted to come here. I wasn't prepped for the beach, not wearing a bathing suit. I have my socks on still, but maybe I'll go in the water. But for now, they're in the water having fun. A gorgeous day on the bay, by the inlet. What more can you say? I bet you're used to these water shots from somewhere in Washington where the water's cold, and it's still pretty darn cold here. It's beautiful though, it's beautiful.